In this session, I worked with a B2B AI service provider currently generating 7 grand a month in monthly recurring revenue with a clear goal to reach 25 grand a month. Their business serves agencies that build personal brands, including ghostwriting firms, video editors, and newsletter operators. These clients typically operate in sophisticated online markets and rely on strong back-end systems for communication and lead nurturing. We focus on solving top of funnel and middle of funnel constraints. The founder has 2 acquisition channels running in parallel: organic content on LinkedIn and paid ads running to a lead magnet funnel. Let's get into it. It starts with uncovering the current funnel strategy. I say with your LinkedIn branded content, were you CTAing to your lead magnet or straight to booking a demo call? Or were you running ads for the lead magnet and relying on content for demo bookings? Client says, yeah, it was split. My content would push people to a demo call while I ran paid ads on social platforms to a lead magnet. Once they opted in, I'd follow up to get them to book a call. I say, got it, and which outperformed the other? Client says the organic content straight to demos got better results, lower cost, higher intent. And then we get into killing the lead magnet. I say, cool, here's the rule of thumb. When you find a marketing channel that works, don't divert, double down on it. In your case, the content to demo route is working. You need to drop the lead magnet and pour your energy into optimizing your content funnel to get more booked calls. You're creating friction and diluting your best source of leverage by trying to balance both. And then we get into breaking the addiction to AI tool demos. I say, what was your LinkedIn content mostly about? Client says mostly AI tool demonstrations like walkthroughs and use case showcases. I say, yeah, cut those out. If you keep demoing tools, you're going to attract product-aware buyers, not problem-aware ones. Product-aware buyers are price shoppers. They'll see your demo, compare your solution to a cheaper Fiverr or Upwork freelancer, and you'll lose deals or lower your perceived value. Instead, start making content around the problem itself, specifically email follow-up. Cover all the foundational pain points that go into doing it manually. Make your CTA simple. We automate all this for you permanently, no human labor needed. And then we get into build your own discovery engine. I say, here's a bonus. Once you record a piece of problem-aware content on LinkedIn, take a percentage of your monthly profit and use it to boost that post via discovery ads. You're not trying to generate leads directly, you're just buying distribution to get 5 to 10x the eyeballs you would have gotten organically. Build a simple Notion tracker that connects post title, date published, budget spent, booked calls from that post. Use that to refine your hooks over time. And then we get into picking the right market. I say one last note, your goal is not to attract tech-savvy founders who want to test AI tools. You want to attract founders who know they have a problem like bad follow-up, know they need a solution, and don't care how you solve it, they just want it gone. That's who pays high ticket, doesn't churn fast, and won't overanalyze your stack. They're grateful when the problem disappears. And then we get into process-focused goals. To wrap the session, the client mapped out their next steps using process-focused goals, not outcome-based ones. For the rest of today, audit all past LinkedIn posts, tool-focused versus problem-focused. Write 3 new post outlines, focus purely on email follow-up pain, pause the current lead magnet ad campaign. For tomorrow, record a video post on revenue loss due to poor follow-up, launch a discovery ad on the new video post, set up a Notion tracker to track post performance and cost. For the next 7 days, publish 3 to 4 problem-aware posts around follow-up, monitor ad metrics and make optimizations, call 5 past clients to ask what almost stopped them from buying, begin working on a case study from one successful client. For the next 30 days, systematize a weekly content schedule, 2 written and 1 video per week, build a testimonial and referral playbook, test outbound messaging to white label partner prospects, reach out to ICPs for warm intros to AI agencies targeting same market, create founder-led case study scripts for 2 past wins, start drafting version 1 of Done For You into SaaS transition roadmap. I hope you guys found this valuable. If you did and you want to see more of me on your home feed, hit that subscribe button. Take care.